Ooh, this is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels. I stack my money, lay low and chill.
It ain't even, I just turned 9. And like gets ready looking decent. Okay, baby. Yes, sir.
661 Carney, say when they.
That's the man. Go get at the page. Look, they got a rainbow headlight Q50 over there looking like a
Josh on the channel though.
Yes, sir, baby. It's about to be up.
You already know the deal. That guy Josh hit that channel.
Woo. Then you see the whip over here. Just got all these little exterior mods done. Go get at that, baby. You already know what time it is. Yes, sir. Shoo! They got Josh, baby.
Well,
What's happening, dog?
You already know the deal.
Yup. We at the meet, baby. Camera shy. So I'm hearing this is a supercharged FRS. Let's see it.
Oh, come on, Courtney. You're letting YouTube down.
She's on the camera, that's why she's slow. She's a little nervous. It's all good.
It's on the left.
Completely sleeper. Whoosh. Okay.
It's broken, so you have to.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Down.
No. Right there.
Okay. Makes sense. Damn. Check that out.
So Rotrex C38 centrifugal supercharger.
Damn. So how much power is it pulling?
Liam!
To the wheel or to the crank?
To
The
the
wheel is 270 and crank is 300.
Damn, that's not bad.
Stock's like what, 150?
Stock's 200.
Something like that, right?
Yeah, stock's 200.
Liam, stock's 200?
Huh?
Stock's
200, yes, sir.
200 stock, but he got the supercharger on it, putting like 2 something.
Unlock the course.
And then of course we have the Battle Arrow wing in the rear, chassis mounted.
Go check that out. Go. Sheesh. Big wing, huh?
Oh yeah. 74 inches.
Damn.
That's just from there to there.
He can't go through many places, huh?
No.
Like car washes or anything like that.
Car wash, you got a hand wash.
Yeah, of course. You got the stickers
Oh yeah.
with everybody.
Follow him. Liam,
Go
Revs.
get the Instagram, Revs. Go give him a follow. This
Hi.
is the owner
Follow
of the
me on
vehicle.
Instagram, @Revs.
Yep.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is his woman right here.
Courtney,
Yep.
Courtney, introduce yourself. Yes, ma'am.
Gets to drive the race car to school tomorrow for the car show.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Dude, this is a bad ride.
Remember the training.
Remember the training?
Yeah, she learned stick yesterday.
No,
Yeah?
Monday.
Just
Monday.
yes.
Well, not
This
for
week.
the first time.
Check it out, baby. It's impressive. My second meet, and it hasn't been disappointing. Look at this. And it's like freshly 9.2. Look at my boy Shiraz's Z06. This might be the next car review right here. I gotta throw some more sport cars out there for you guys. Yeah. You see it? Woo! Yes, sir, baby. That guy Josh in the building with Missy. Yes, sir, baby. Alright, let's go walk around. She gonna let behind. Grab the trunk, baby. Woo. This is pretty dope, load. Show out tonight. Okay. That was actually my first joint right there. First whip, baby.
You said what?
Oh,
Hey,
what's
what's
good,
good,
bro? How
bro?
you been?
Pretty good.
Good, living.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Shout everything out if you got Snapchat, Instagram.
Shout out to everyone. Okay? It's just easy.
That white Infiniti right there.
Which one? That one?
The one with the YouTube and all that.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
All right, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope.
That's you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, baby. I just upgraded.
You didn't fucking say.
Hey, come on, hold on.
You got a shirt? All right.
Oh yeah, I got it on.
How do
Yeah.
I represent you? Let's go.
See, I didn't know people.
You need a team or what? Let's go.
Yeah, no. See, I
So
didn't.
when the
Keep...
18 Mustang arrives in May, we're gonna have to do a review on that.
Oh yeah. Check out the bottom lights too. Yes, sir, baby.
That's not factory.
It's all factory.
factory?
It's all factory.
You're lying.
Damn.
With the white interior.
So this one's the twin turbo one, right?
Yeah, twin turbo V6. Do this shit. Rips.
Ballin' now. Hey. Yo, let me know if you want
Starting
decals.
I just got mine done right
I know,
now.
but like custom decals, like you want your car to be decked out. I'm the guy to talk to. I work
You
at
heard
Genesis
the
One.
man. Drop the info, baby. Got-
Genesis One Auto Concepts. Come see me. I'm Donovan. We'll hook you up with any wraps, vinyl
He
decals.
knows what he's doing.
You know.
Hook him up.
Okay, yeah.
We build SEMA cars, so.
Ooh, you guys know what that is, baby. Come on,
build SEMA
relax.
cars.
Shit, no jokes being played right here. Yep.
Oh, but
I'm about to go get the rest of the meat, alright?
for sure.
I'll see you guys
We'll
throughout.
get the rest of the
Hey,
meat.
you got a dope ass car, bro. Stay
Thank
up.
you. Hey, Supreme, huh? My boy Shiraz. Yep, that's my boy right there. Okay, we got the Mopars in the building right here. Woo! Let me hear it. Sir, baby, all the scat packs pulling that. Looking ferocious. Okay. Woo! And then we got the Corolla. This is the SRT4 that I did that first review on right here. If you guys rock with the channel, you guys know this the Neon Insanity. Okay. Yes, sir, baby. Like we got the old joint right here. The old school Dodge Charger RT. Woo. Let's see, that's what I'm trying to get done right there. The tire stickers. No, just one. But with the, it's a surprise, so I can't say what I'm gonna get on it. But yeah, let's go get the walk around. BRG's all over the place. That's good, champ. Check it out. We got Sylvia in the building. We got all the drifters in their own little section right here. All the Z's lined up. Okay. Yeah. We got the little Stingray right there. Ooh. Then we got all the crowd killers over here. What's good, baby? Yup. We got the SUK with the RPF ones on it right here. Like all the way right.
Yeah, they're right next to each other.
Yes, sir. How I said, we got the crowd killers over here. Oh, double. Ooh. That man pulled up looking like that. Okay. We all got different vibes, right? Ooh, baby, what's good? Vlogs on vlogs, baby. You see the man right here. Shout everything out.
Feel me?
What's
Go
good?
subscribe at James or Buena. I'm gonna leave it down right here.
Yeah.
Hey, but go subscribe to that guy, Josh, though.
Yes, sir, baby. Look,
Where's
you
the
see
second
the
car
shirt
meet?
right here, baby. Get the back. Ooh. Yes, sir, baby. That guy, Josh.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave this
See the
link
side
in the
too.
description.
Woohoo.
This is the second car meet. That shit.
Yes, sir, baby.
Pretty
Hey,
packed.
it's impressive, man. The first one was dope too. This one's dope.
Yeah,
Yes, as well.
yeah.
We got all the muscle cars over here.
That's what I was just getting at right now.
Yeah. You got the Camaros
We got
in.
the head turner lineup
The-
over here.
Yeah. Hey, they actually shouted the thing out. The
Yeah?
flyer, yeah.
Cool.
Head turners.
Yeah? Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. What's it called?
Yes,
Supposed
sir.
to pull up from there.
And Anthony.
There you go.
He said he was gonna pull up.
Hey, he still ain't here. Not here.
One spot for him, huh?
Look, you got the head turner decal right there.
Oh yeah, go check him out on Instagram. Head Turners. They got multiple clicks all over the world, so Show some love to all of them.
Instagram for real.
Yeah, and that's all of them right there. I don't
Yeah, I
know
think
them,
this is the
so
new scat packs.
I'm just gonna walk away. Hi, babe. I got looking bored. Ooh. James always got the new meat on it. Looking all the way mean. Okay. Looking like you're doing something now, huh? Look, but he is. Okay. Alright. What now? Okay, with this thing right, baby. You knew I was coming. Oh, this him. Yeah.
Nah, it's just straight there. There's nothing else.
And then there's all the people. Yeah, 661 car meets 818. Yup. This man right here, go get at him. Look at this. And it's still fresh 9, so there's probably some more people to come.
9:30,
So,
barely
let's
started
see.
30 minutes ago.
Yes, sir. Man, why's my door open?
I know a couple people still on the way.
Ooh, look at this. Yes, sir, baby.
It's LA Fitness. We were right here at the Spine and nothing happened.
Ooh, baby, all the lights got turned off, so we're moving to the second. Ooh, baby got the bags on that joint. Boy, shit's fully fit. Ooh. We coming through to the second spot, baby. And we still got a good amount of crowd. Look, check it out. Woo! And we just got here. We're like the first ones. Yeah, baby. Got that Chevy SS sedan. Got the $1 million condo. Whew. Here's James with the 235. James or Buena on YouTube. Yes, sir, baby. It's time getting cold out here too. God damn. I got my damn jacket on. Type shivering, big shivering now. Where's Fern?
I don't
He
know.
said he was in the pool up.
Bro, he's not pulling up. What is this, Josh?
Oh man.
I don't even know.
Ooh, look, we got fancy people here too. Look at this. Ah. We got people out. Woo. All right, everybody's dipping out. Get everybody taking off. And the 350 loud as shit. My dog Alex. Whew. Look at this joint.
Dude, we gotta go in and out. We gotta bounce.
Where?
We gotta go. We're gonna bounce. We're gonna go in and out.
I'm done. Yeah. You trying to go eat there or just park?
This is different.
Boy, be careful, dog. Stingray, what you gotta do, baby? I'm trying to get this SS legal. Ooh, the new and the old joints. New and the old. What just happened? Drag it. But yeah, that's the meat. And I guess I'm about to end it right here, maybe. I honestly don't want to end it yet. I want to get some more cars people. Trying to get some V8s, man. Come on. Let me see some action. Got the crowd killers again. Low Honda with the blowout valve. All the V6 lined up. Wait. That's CO6, baby. Yup. Just like that, baby, that guy Josh is out, and that's another car meet by me. As you can see, oh wait, I didn't even show you guys the merch. Hold on. Film the shirt. Oh, you gonna? This is the merch. Check it out. Let me know if you guys would cop some merch, and if you do, I would just might have to make some more. But just like that, that's get the video.